Hi, good morning. My name is Bernard Pongi, and I'm a member of the Kongo Federation. The Congo Federation is a new country that is born right there in Africa, in the center of Africa. So many of you may be very resistant to change, but sometimes you have to move on the same flow as water is flowing on a specific path. The Congo Federation is now born. No one can stop the will of the people, which is the Congo people. They have decided to create the path to move forward with their future. They have decided to put in place this country because of whatever you already know. Because for now, it is unnecessary for us to go back on what pushed the Congo Federation to create this country. The country is there. You are well informed on what is happening. That country, right there in center of Africa, the Congo Federation is run by the Congo Federation Council. They are 4 permanent members of the Congo Federation Council. Sa Majesty Tikayazinga I of the Kingdom of Luango. There is Birangi from the state of Nyadi. There is Olga Duchemin from state of Mpangala. And there is me, Prince Mikaya Pongi VII, Governor of State of Bwenza and the State of Lekum. We are now running the Congo Federation. The people of Congo Federation, which are the Congo people, have spoken through the petition that you already have the result. More than 50,887 families have signed for the petition. Let's move forward with this change. Right? The people have decided what you're going to do. Are you going to stop them? Are you going to kill them all? Or you have to move forward with these people. They have taken on their hand their future, and they want to build the new country with a specific vision. Build a school, road, bring a real job, food on family table, empower women, This is the vision that all of us want. Hey, listen, the time of sneaking on the people beyond is finished. This is the time that the world is changing. This is the time that we are seeing new relationship. This is the time we are seeing new polarization everywhere. Each people, each country want to protect their own interests. That's why you have seen like Africa, young African, they are all stand up. Their eyes is now widely open. They can hear everything, they can understand. At the time that we want to build a new Africa with a new leadership, a new vision, you have to change the way of thinking, the way of running politics, the way of seeing Africa now. Hey, listen, are you going to maintain your style of stealing, killing, destroying, which will push your country or yourself to collapse?